Hi there, everybody. This is Mary Beth Angelelli. Welcome back today to another video for Best Easy Work. I want to congratulate you for being here. You are definitely in the right place at the right time. This is my first video in the brand new year 2018 for Best Easy Work, and I'm excited that you're here and I'm excited for you. I was first introduced to Best Easy Work last year, and let me tell you, this dynamic opportunity is something that I am going to be forever grateful for, and want to give a huge shout out to the CEO, Martin Ruiz, for everything that he does and for putting together this amazing, dynamic, automated platform, folks, called Best Easy Work. It's really just that. The name says it all. It's easy work, and I would have to estimate about 90% of the system is very automated. It's really done for you. Everything is laid out super simple. Simplicity is what drew me to this amazing dynamic platform of Best Easy Work last year when I took a look at it. Really, all you have to do is bring forth about 10% to the table, take action, folks, and just follow the system. It is really, really simple. We even have a complete Facebook group that you'll get plugged into, and you'll be able to go in there and connect with other like-minded individuals who are already members. We have a great extensive file section with lots of great ideas, resources, tips, helps, and strategies so that you are successful with Best Easy Work. And Best Easy Work has everything inside of the back office and a very easy to follow, easy to navigate, step-by-step video training tutorials. In addition, all of the resources and the information that you need to be able to take this opportunity either online or offline or a combination of both, and just run with it in this new year of 2018. The game plan has been put in action. The blueprint has been created. The strategies have been put into this system. Everything is there for you and is proven to work and does work. All you have to do is follow it. If you can take the initiative and just follow some simple instructions and implement what is there, folks, commit, be consistent, you can take Best Easy Work and achieve greatness with this amazing opportunity this year and beyond. This is a prime opportunity going into 2018. It has built a lot of momentum last year in 2017. Right now, we are over 70,000 members and growing by leaps and bounds every single week. It's estimated Martin is projecting around 100,000 or more by the end of February. So, folks, there is huge potential for growth in this year, and I am excited to be part of Best Easy Work. I'm excited that you're here. I'm excited to share and introduce you to an amazing opportunity that is real. It is real simple, and it actually works. And before I close out this video, I will show you more continued proof of some checks that came in last month. I've been really busy with the holidays, folks, but I am back on track, ready to take action and ready to move forward and really take Best Easy Work to the next level this year. Like I said, this is an amazing, amazing opportunity, and you are here for a reason. Most likely, you're here to change your life, change your situation, and gain financial independence in 2018. Folks, you're definitely in the right place at the right time, because you can accomplish all of that and more. Don't let anything hold you back, folks. Like I say, simplicity is what attracted me to Best Easy Work last year. When I was introduced to it, I looked at it, it really was a no-brainer. 90% of the work really is done for you. 10% is going to be dependent on you and your actions, your motivation, and your initiative. You just have to be willing to have an open mind and make it happen, folks. Don't delay, don't put off, and don't procrastinate. Procrastination can be your absolute worst enemy. This is an opportunity that you can absolutely achieve great results with because everything is there for you, a complete blueprint from A to Z in your back office, all types of strategies, all types of options that you can plug into, utilize, implement, go out there and make it happen, folks. And just share this with other people. It's really, really simple. If you could just follow some basic, simple instructions, folks, don't reinvent the wheel, and just get serious about you, your future, your goals, because you have an excellent, incredible vehicle to take going forward to the marketplace and just share it with so many people who really need what Best Easy Work is all about. This truly can and will change your life if you allow it to. I've had amazing results with it since last year, since getting involved, folks, and I'm looking to achieve even greater results this year because it's possible, folks. I am highly motivated, I am super excited, and I'm ready to take on an incredible opportunity and take it to the next level, folks, in 2018. And I'm here to help you. I've been successfully marketing offline and online for over 10 years now. This is an amazing opportunity, folks. I get so excited every time I share this with new people, folks, because of what is here, what Martin put together. It's just something that really can help so many people. And really, folks, you know, Martin created this program called Best Easy Work. He created it with a strategy in mind so that everybody can win. He really wants everybody to win with Best Easy Work, and it's possible because it's really simple. If you can just share a website, folks, that's all you really have to do is share the website and let the rest of it, let the system go to work for you. The system, you know, has been designed to do just that. You're sifting, you're sorting. The videos inside that have been put together and created literally do all the telling, selling, and explaining. It's just a matter of you going out there, getting traffic, getting eyeballs to come inside, watch the videos, get excited, get started, folks. Everything is here, folks. One thing I want to do is give you some advice and encourage you to take a close look at this. Whatever you do, this is a new year, folks. It's time to start fresh, start with a clean slate. Don't let your past failures dictate your future. This is a new year for you. You can reinvent yourself if you need to. Create a new you with a great new opportunity for yourself called Best Easy Work, folks. It's easy. It's an easy program to plug into. It's an easy opportunity to leverage. And just let the website work for you, folks. This is, you know, an amazing website. I also, folks, have an amazing funnel. We're right here, automatedinkomeriches.com. I encourage you to come here, folks. This funnel has worked very, very well for me, and I'm excited to share it with you because what it has done for me, it can do for you. It never ceases to amaze me, folks. This has taken cold traffic and it's done an incredible job of taking cold traffic and converting cold traffic into paid signups, allowing me to continue to get paid, you know, month after month after month with Best Easy Work. And I've received multiple checks to date. Looking forward to really scaling up big time with BEW this year. All you have to do is come here, folks. Put your name, put your email, phone number is optional. Click show me the video. You're going to go inside. You're going to watch 2 videos on the next page. A testimonial video of me, some of my amazing, amazing team members. You'll be able to view an overview compensation plan of exactly the potential inside of Best Easy Work. And then once you've done that, it's going to take you to the final sales page where you can go and create your account and get started, folks. And then submit your payment to Martin Ruiz, and he will confirm your payment, your money order, your receipt of your payment. We'll get you started. I'm here. I'll plug you into my blueprint, to my training. I will share with you all of my resources that have been proven to work for me to generate consistent, steady income, and utilize this funnel where it does an amazing job, folks, of converting the cold traffic into warm leads that convert into paid signups. And it can do the exact same thing for you, folks. This is an amazing funnel, folks. Check it out. And here's the facts, folks. The owner will help you. Like I say, he created this with a strategy in place for you to win because he truly wants everybody to win. He'll do the selling for you on your behalf. You can even get a free website to promote once you join. And Best Easy Work will enable you to make money without talking to anyone, right from the comfort of your home, folks. It's all here. No experience is required. You don't even have to talk to people unless, of course, you want to. Connect with me on Facebook, folks. Call me, text me, 330-787-1795. I'm here to truly help you. Now is the time to get started. Take action. Don't put off till tomorrow what you can do and accomplish today, folks. Remember, winners never quit and quitters never win. This is your time to shine. Go to work with Best Easy Work. It is just that. It's easy work. You're going to love it. I'm here to help you. Connect with me at 330-787-1795. Go through my funnel. It's all here, folks. This funnel was created to also help you to win. And I will get you plugged in. We can get you set up with a funnel just like this one. And you're going to be in business, folks. See you soon. 330-787-1795. Connect with me. Below is all my contact information. I'll see you soon on the next Best Easy Work video. Make it a great day. 2018 is going to be a wonderful year. Let's win together with Best Easy Work. Talk to you soon.